In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add music to your site on Squarespace. If you want visitors to hear a soundtrack, background audio, or an important audio clip on a specific page, Squarespace makes it simple to add an audio block. In this walkthrough, I will guide you through the exact clicks you need to make, from opening the editor to uploading your audio file and saving your changes. First, click Edit. This is the action that switches your page into an editable mode. When you click Edit, you should see the page update so you can interact with page elements. Take a moment to confirm that you are in the right page or the right section, because the audio block will be added where you place it in the layout. Once you see editing tools appear, you are ready for the next part. Next, click Add Block. This opens the area where you can choose different types of content to place on your page. You will usually see a panel or menu appear, showing various block options. This step matters because the audio you add will come from an audio-specific content block, not a general media option. After you click Add Block, look for the category of content blocks and be ready to select the one labeled for audio. Now click Audio. When you choose Audio, you are telling Squarespace you want an audio element on the page. The screen should show you an audio block option, often with a placeholder that represents where the audio player will appear. This is the point where your page will begin to support playback controls for your visitors. Once you see the audio option, select it so you can customize how the audio will be configured. After that, click the audio block, then click the pencil icon. The pencil icon is used for editing the settings of that specific block. You will typically see the pencil icon appear next to the block, or you may see it once you click the block itself. Clicking the pencil matters because it opens the configuration window where you can attach your actual audio track. Do not rush through this part. Take a moment to make sure you click the correct audio block and that the editing icon is linked to it. Next, click Upload File to add your audio track. This is where you bring in the audio you want to use from your computer. When you choose Upload File, a file picker window should appear, allowing you to browse for the audio file you prepared ahead of time. Uploading is the key step that connects your audio file to the audio block on your page. Wait for the upload to complete. If there is any on-screen indicator, use it to confirm the file has successfully been added to the block. Finally, click Save in the top left corner. This step applies and locks in your changes, so the audio block stays on your page when you exit editing. Saving is important because any changes you make, including the uploaded track, need to be stored in order for visitors to see and use them. After you click Save, you can return to viewing mode and check that the audio player appears as expected and is ready for playback. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.